Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to the video. In part 1, we'll start with the basics and introduce today's topic. If you've ever bitten into a taco that tasted bright, a little smoky, and deeply savory all at once, there's a good chance it was Cochinita Pibil. It's a classic Yucatán dish made with pork that's marinated in achiote and sour orange, then slow cooked until it shreds with barely any effort. The flavor is hard to forget. Earthy from the spices, tangy from citrus, and rich in a way that feels comforting, not heavy. You'll most often see it piled into tacos, tucked into tortas, or served on Yucatán favorites like panicos and salbutes. A quick note on spelling. You'll sometimes see Cochinita Pibil online, but the traditional name is Cochinita Pibil. Either way, this is the same Yucatán-style pork with the same signature flavors. What Cochinita Pibil is, and why it tastes so different from other Mexican pork. Cochinita Pibil isn't just pulled pork with seasoning. It has its own identity, and it starts with the word pibil. Pibil points to an old cooking method. Food cooked in a pib, an underground oven. In the Yucatán, that meant marinated meat wrapped up, often in banana leaves, set over hot stones, then covered so it cooks slowly in trapped heat. That history matters because the taste comes from the method as much as the marinade. Slow heat softens pork shoulder into silky strands, while the wrap holds in moisture so the meat stays juicy. The marinade soaks deep into the fibers and stains the pork a burnt orange red that's instantly recognizable. Compared with other Mexican pork dishes, Cochinita Pibil tastes brighter and more aromatic. Carnitas leans rich and pork-forward. Al pastor is sweet, spicy, and charred. Cochinita Pibil is tangy, earthy, and gently smoky, with a citrus punch that keeps each bite lively. It's the kind of food that feels like it has a story, even if you're eating it from a paper plate at a busy taqueria. The flavors that define it. Achiote, sour orange, and smoke. Achiote paste is the backbone. It's made from annatto seeds plus spices and aromatics, often garlic and warm spices. It doesn't taste hot. It tastes earthy and slightly peppery, with a deep, savory smell that hits the second it warms up. Sour orange, or naranja agria, brings the snap. It's more tart than a standard orange, and it keeps the pork from tasting flat after hours of cooking. If you can't find it, use a practical blend. Orange juice plus lime juice works well, and grapefruit plus lime gets you closer to that bitter tart edge. The smoke is usually subtle. It comes from the long cook, the enclosed wrap, and, in traditional cooking, the underground heat. You're not aiming for barbecue intensity, just a soft smoky note in the background. Banana leaves are not just for looks, they change the texture. That's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.